Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the right front wheel assembly on your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. So to do this repair, we simply need to pull the refrigerator slightly forward and then we can get started. So now that we've pulled the refrigerator just slightly forward, we will next need to remove this grill across the front. It's held in place with 2 1/4-inch hex head screws. So begin by removing both of those. And then we'll need to flex that grill to release 2 plastic tabs on either side. So either lift up on the bottom or push down on the top. At the same time, just flex that grill to release those plastic tabs. These are the tabs that we're speaking about. Now we'll set that grill aside. Now our next step will be to raise the refrigerator up using the adjustable leveling leg enough that we can put a wedge underneath of it to hold it in place, and then we can remove that wheel assembly. So using a pair of slip joint pliers, I'm just going to extend that adjustable leg down. Now you can also use a 1/4-inch wrench or a ratchet if you can fit one in there to turn that leg down. Then we'll place a spacer underneath that cabinet to support the weight, and then we can remove the 4 retaining screws. These are typically a 3/8 hex head screw. Pull the old wheel assembly away, slide the new one into position, and reinstall the bolts. We'll thread those bolts in carefully to make sure that they don't go in cross-threaded. Make sure they're all tightened securely. Then again, we'll lower that leveling leg to support the weight of the refrigerator. We'll remove our shim. And we can lower the refrigerator back down onto the roller. And once we have it in position, we can now push the refrigerator back into place. And if you're setting it down on the leveling leg, you can adjust it at that point till we have it level. And then we're ready to put the front grill back on. Now when installing that grill, we want to make sure that we insert these tabs, both top and bottom, into the oval openings in the bottom of the cabinet. And then we'll just press them into place. Then we can secure it with the 2 screws through the front. So we'll line up that grill so that the screw holes are centered into those slotted openings. And then we're simply going to press on the front of that grill where the plastic clips are till they snap into place. And then we'll secure it with the 2 screws. Now all it remains to do is push the refrigerator back into place, and your repair is complete.